So here we have the Nissan Qashqai on a 67 plate. I'm going to start off firstly by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside of it. From the outside, you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels. We're going to start off inside the boot space. First, as we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors. Plenty of boot space as well. You can increase this space in two different ways. Firstly, by folding down those rear seats, and secondly, by removing these trays. You can take them out completely should you wish to. They can also be used to divide the boot up into different sections. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car. And then, as I mentioned, we'll hop in and run through some of the controls on the inside of it from there. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials first of all. Over on that left-hand side, we have the rev counter and coolant temperature gauge. On the right-hand side, the speedometer and fuel gauge. In the centre, you can see the total miles for the car. They are 47,125. Above that, we have a digital readout for the speedometer. You can change information displayed there using buttons on the steering wheel. The buttons in question are just here. We have our stereo controls surrounding those. Over on the right-hand side, we have cruise control, speed limiter, and phone controls. You can only use the phone controls once you pair the phone up to the car, which is done by hitting the phone button. And then you go to pair device, push that button in to follow the instructions on this screen. When it comes to the radio, you can see here, every push of the button will cycle around a different wave band. You can listen to your own music via the CD player and auxiliary input as well, once you plug the device in, of course. Main volume for your stereo is just there. Below that, we have dual zone climate control. You can adjust the passenger and driver temperature. You can increase and decrease the fan speed. You can determine what direction you'd like the air distributed in. When you're happy with those settings, that's your air conditioning off. Back on again, or hit auto. The car will now take full control for you to maintain the temperatures that you've asked for. We have a 12-volt charging socket, electronic handbrake, the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox, 2 cup holders, and some additional storage here as well. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Surrey Specialist Cars. We'd love to hear from you.